Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video, we will look at some of the 7 best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nextbase 622 gigawatts. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts offers a range of features that matter most, including capturing detailed footage in 4K in both bright and low light conditions, and with an impressive night vision mode for clarity after dark. Its 3-inch touchscreen has an intuitive interface, and the magnetic mount is easy to use and easily my favorite. The kit comes with a 128GB SD card and is upgradable by adding additional cameras to guard the interior or the rear of a vehicle, although an accessory hardwire kit is required. An SOS mode will automatically call and send GPS coordinates to emergency personnel after an accident even if the driver is unresponsive, and a built-in battery powers the camera if the car's battery dies. In terms of size, if that is a factor in your vehicle, the 622 gigawatts is one of the larger options included here. Number 2. 70mm M500. The 70mm M500 dashcam won't bust your budget and doesn't skimp on features. It records in 1944p quality. 1944 is better resolution than 1080p, but doesn't take up as much storage as 4K. The P stands for progressive scan, a technique of loading pixels onto the screen to minimize flickering. The camera has a 170-degree field of view, but some reviewers and users report a slight fisheye effect due to the wide-angle lens. The system also has a 2.4-inch display, a companion app, HDR full-color night vision, and built-in GPS to log real-time speed and location. There are even driver assist alerts, 4-lane departure, forward collision warning, and pedestrian and cyclist detection. The dashcam comes with 128GB of built-in storage, but no memory card slot, which means you won't be able to upgrade to a larger capacity. Number 3. Vantrue N4 Pro 3. With both a forward and rear-facing camera to monitor the interior of a car, this dashcam is ideal for rideshare drivers or for anyone who wants to keep an eye on their passengers. It records footage in 4K resolution using the latest Sony Starvis 2 imaging technology to flesh out finer details, even in the dark. The rear-facing camera rotates 360 degrees and can be set to record at 1080p to conserve memory. The cabin camera's 4 infrared LEDs can capture passengers even in total darkness. Wi-Fi connectivity transmits video to the companion app or for sharing on social media. Location and speed are logged by built-in GPS, and voice commands coupled with a 3.19-inch display make the N4 Pro simple to use. With an optional hardwire kit, a parking mode can record 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after a trigger. Number 4. 70mm A800S. The 70mm A800S, the most affordable option here, captures crisp 4K video even in low lighting and features front and rear cameras, built-in GPS, and driver assist warnings. You can easily review videos and adjust settings using its 3-inch screen and add a parking mode with an optional hardwire kit. Its low price, however, has downsides. Many reviews cite that the 70mm companion app has connectivity and UI issues whether on iOS and Android, and that the camera can become unstable in below freezing temperatures, so this might not be the dashcam for you if you live in an area typically hit hard with winter weather. But the A800S's ease of use and high-resolution video at a reasonable price make it a solid option if you're looking for a dashcam and want to spend a minimal amount. Number 5. Rove R2-4K Pro. The Rove R2-4K captures stunning video in UHD 4K at either 30 or 60 frames per second, and delivers clear, crisp recording in all lighting conditions, even at nighttime. The R2-4K doesn't come with a micro SD card, but when connected to a smartphone via Wi-Fi, users can download, view, and share video on social media or via a messaging app using the Rove Dashcam app. The app is handy for more easily tweaking the dashcam settings instead of on the smallish 2.4-inch display, and the app can also download free over-the-air firmware updates for the unit. Built-in GPS records a vehicle's speed and location, and a parking mode that requires hard wiring records time-lapse video and detects motion and collision. If it detects an event, the dashcam records a 1-minute video, saves it, and delivers a voice alert the next time the car is started. Number 6. Garmin Dashcam Live. Many new vehicles come with advanced safety features called driver assists. These alerts warn of possible hazards. The Garmin Dashcam Live includes forward collision and lane departure warning, two of the most popular driver assists. This dashcam has a 2.95-inch display, records 1440p video via a 140-degree lens, and records and saves video on an included 16 GB micro SD card with built-in GPS stamping of location, date, and time. With a subscription, $9.99 per month, to Garmin's Dashcam Live with an LTE connection, for always-on connectivity, users can get real-time views from a parked vehicle via the Garmin Drive smartphone app and receive location, theft, and incident notifications. Saved videos are automatically uploaded online and can be viewed and shared using the Garmin Drive app. Voice control can be used to save videos, start/stop recording, take still pictures, and more. Number 7. Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. The Garmin Mini 3 measures just 2 by 0.8 by 1.3 inches and weighs only 1.1 ounces. Powered by a slim cable, which can be routed upward or downwards, the dashcam is practically unnoticeable when mounted behind a rearview mirror. This powerful Mini 3 dashcam has a 140-degree field of view and can record video of incidents in 1080p video, but due to its small size, has no screen. Instead, a live view is transferred to a connected smartphone running the Garmin Drive smartphone app, although this requires a subscription. Video is saved to a micro SD card and then downloaded to a device via Wi-Fi and automatically saved in the cloud with a subscription. A parking feature sends notification of incidents to the Garmin Drive app on a smartphone, but requires a subscription, a Wi-Fi connection, and constant power.